Hi guys. As you can see, I sort of have some goodies right here on my desk, or not on my desk, on the table. But I just wanted to, in my last video, I did show you that that I had purchased some of these from Tuesday Morning, and these actually are the Crafter's Companion subscription box, or their craft kits. They have, so if you're not familiar with Crafter's Companion, it is based by, it was built and created by a lady named Sarah Davies, and she is based in the UK, United Kingdom. But she has you can go to Crafter's Companion. It has either a UK site, or it also has a US site. But if you're not familiar with her, she's behind the Gemini, the white and purple machine, and everything is sort of based in white and purple. And they also have like the Spectrum Noir markers and things of that sort. So that's all a part of this line and her creation there. So I'm going to go ahead and stop talking so much. But anyway, these are her subscription boxes that you get. And basically these are the boxes. And I try to write this down and have these sort of in order, but I apologize if I don't. These are the subscription boxes that are usually $24.95, $24.99. Anyway, basically about $25. All of the subscription boxes actually have and I'll try and show you this one. Okay, they actually have a number on the side of them here, and the number, hopefully y'all can see that. I hope that y'all can. Okay, so it has a number on the side of the box here. I'm really not sure if y'all can see that, but hopefully you can. It has a number right here on the side of the box. I am not going in order at all. I'm just going based on what I think, what I have looked at, and what I think I'm going to keep. I've opened the boxes a little bit because I wanted to be able to make sure that that I could just open the tab and still close them back, because I know some of these I'm not going to keep because they're just basic supplies. But the ones that I think I'm going to keep, I'm going to just see and make sure that's what I want, and give y'all a look inside the boxes too. Okay, so this first box that I'm looking at, and this is, as you see, this is box number 9. And I think this box right here, which is the embossing folder, I think this is the box that came out in February of this year, and called embossing folders. And so this, as it says, it makes at least 18 cards. On the back, it'll tell you what actually comes in the box. So it says you get one 3D embossing folder, 7 2D embossing folders, and it always gives you like your card blanks, your envelopes. It gives you some 19 stamps, printed paper, 12 black and white card, 12 pieces, colored paper, 12 pieces, die cut toppers, which I'm just thinking these right here are, and then some ribbon. So, and it shows you sort of what's in the box there. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Okay. When you open the box, she just has her little face in all of the boxes here in the top. And then she has like a little card and the subscription, the box where you can find out about the craft kits. And they also have like a little Facebook group also. So, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one, so I'm going to try. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to move that one up that way. Okay, so we can see this here. Okay, so all the boxes come like this. This is, okay. So, I'm trying to okay. So, yeah, I'm trying to find all the, you know what? I think that's it. Okay, so yeah, okay. So this is the 3D, no, what is this? This is this, I think, yeah, this is the 3D folder. So you're going to see a lot of this dimension here. And I don't really know what the difference between this one and this one is here, because it looks like they're basically going to be the same. I know, like, if it was 3D, I'm thinking of the ones that it'll actually cut out the shape with it. But this one just looks like it's just going to have a lot of dimension, and basically it's going to look like it's going to be the same like here, because to me it doesn't seem like there's really a big difference between this 3D folder and these 2D ones. But we shall see. I don't think, because I was really hoping the 3D folder was going to be a little bit more detailed, I was going to keep it, but I don't think that I will, because these aren't really special to me at all. They just look like regular, and I have embossing folders out the wazoo, so yeah. So you get the 1 3D, the 2, okay, so the 1 3D folder, then you get the 2 2D folders, you get ribbon, your card blanks, your card blank envelopes. No, I'm sorry. These are, okay, so these are your card blanks and some envelopes. Then you also get some additional card blanks and envelopes. You get your black and white card here. This, you get another little embossing folder. This looks like this is a 2D also, so this looks like a little edge, a little border. You get your colored paper. You get some die cut toppers that are here, and you also get some little embossing folder, like some sentiment embossing folder. So happy birthday, looks like it says sending love, and probably get well and some other little small things. You also get your stamps that are here, and then you get some colored paper. Nothing here is really overwhelming to me, so I will be giving this all back to someone else so they can hopefully have fun with it. Yeah, it's not something that I'm overwhelmed with. So that's everything that's in the embossing folder. And I'm going to just try and seal that back up here. Okay. So. And it's not perfect, but I did hopefully make it, if someone of you wanted to rebuy these and use them as a gift, that I haven't messed it up too bad. So, alright, so that's that one. The next one is the circle die cutting one. I already knew I have tons of circles that are in die cut shapes, so this was not going to be something that I'm going to keep either. Let me see. This, y'all can see, this is box number 8. No, sorry, that is box number 7. Sorry, y'all. Box number 7, you can see right there. And this is the circle die cutting one, and this is, I think, December of 2018. This one has it says it's going to make a minimum of 21 cards. You have over 266 pieces. On the back, of course, you have all of your different items that are included in the box. It's saying that you've got 8 metal dies, your stamps, your envelopes, ribbon, all your little embellishments, and all that jazz. Okay. Alright, same little way it's boxed up. Okay, let's see. Y'all can hear the doggies. I apologize. I have 3 dogs. You'll hear them from time to time. Okay, so this is the ribbon that you have. This is your little die cuts. Your little dies. And y'all, when I tell you these don't feel like they have any weight to them at all, they're like the ribbon is heavier than these dies. These are some really, really thin dies. Wow. Okay, yeah. These are your little pearls, your assorted pearls. The colors on these look really light, like they almost look like Nuvo drops, or like really translucent. They're not, yeah, maybe it's just a frosted quality, but they look really, I don't know if y'all can see that, they look really, really light. So, okay. You've got your clear stamps there. That's what it looks like. Those stamps, that's pretty. I like that. Let's see. You've got another another clear stamp there. I don't know if that's showing the best. Okay. You've got your die toppers again. I don't know what it is about me. These look really old-fashioned to me. Yeah, these look really, really old-timey. Okay. Got your standard things to make your actual cards here. And then you've got your printed paper. You've got your printed paper here. And you've got your colored paper. All those. Okay. So, y'all, this is also going to be one that I'm not going to be keeping because, yeah, not anything overwhelming at all here. Okay. This was the one that I was really interested in here, the Build a Scene. So, yeah, okay. So this one is, okay, this one is box number 10, and Build a Scene, I think this was from March of this year. So this is box number 10. Okay. You've got like a minimum of 19 cards and over 125 pieces. Okay. You've got your ribbon. That seems to be standard in her boxes. Her stamps. These look like the little fairy, like the little fairy gardens, or the little the dream, you know, like the little topiaries that people are making now, the little scenes. That's what it looks like. It has magical, the little mushrooms here, like a little rock road. A little fairy. Yeah. Once upon a time. Okay. So, okay. This is your cards, your envelopes, your black and white cards. Okay. And you've got your metal dies. This got a fairy. Those look like little, what do they call the little flowers? Bluebells. Bonnie bluebells or something like that. They look like little like bells, but they're actual flowers. Those are really cute. But y'all, I'm not paying 13 bucks for these little dies. And everything is so small. Like I get it, but these don't seem like they're worth, I mean, I don't know. Maybe because I have a lot of stuff already. So you've got your card blanks, your envelopes, your dies. You've got one package of stamps, your ribbon. You've got your colored paper and your printed paper. Y'all, the printed paper, oh, that's really pretty, but I could make that myself. And y'all, of course, in every box, you're going to have your instructions. So I'm sorry if I haven't pointed that out. But yeah, because this is a total, like this is a kit. So it's going to have everything that you need to make your cards. I think I'm going to put these in. Okay, put it in that way. Oops. Well, y'all, so far I'm doing 0 for 3. I'm not keeping any of these because nothing's really catching my eye and making me want to keep any of these. Okay. Okay. All right. That. All right, this is the one that I am interested in because this is the flower quilling kit, and I want to say that is, I think this was, oh, sorry y'all, I thought that was the recording stopped, but the flower quilling kit, this is I think the one that is from, maybe October of 2018. I'm not sure. But you can actually go back on the website and you can look at any of their past kits. So that's really awesome that they have that there. Okay. Okay. I think this is definitely going to be one that I'm going to keep anyway. Okay. Okay. Alright. If I didn't show you, this is box number, that's box number 5. Okay. You've got over 225 pieces and a minimum of 18 cards. And like I said, it has different sizes that you can make the cards for. So I'm assuming you've got some A5 and I don't know. That's all I can think of right now. Okay. So you've got your standard card blanks, your envelopes. You've got, did it say that you're going to get dies in here? I didn't remember it saying that. But this is a metal die. And yeah, I've never done flower quilling, so this is why this box appeals to me, because it's something new and different. So this is a metal die. I guess this is how you make the little petals. Then you've got the little leaves here. Your colored paper, and it's cut to size that you would need for these to use with the dies. Let's see. You've got some printed paper here. And let me see. Okay. Oops. Okay. The printed paper. Let's see if we can show you. Okay. Oops. Oh, y'all know that I love flowers, so this is really pretty. These, the way that these are, look at that mint green. That's really pretty. Then I think I saw something that looked like cherry blossom that reminded me, yeah, of the pink. And y'all, I'm not a pink person, but that, I really like that. What else did I have? That's pretty for fall or for wedding season. That's cute. Y'all, I'm excited about these papers. Yay! Oh, these are nice. Okay, this is right up my alley here. Let's see. Then you got your die cut toppers, which, yeah, it's like that. Every flower card, they always put butterflies with it, so not bad there. And these don't look as old-timey as the other ones to me, so this I'm liking. Then, of course, you need your quilling tool. So that's what that is right here. And I'm assuming you put paper in it and you just turn. I mean, but that's about the extent of what I know about flower quilling. And then you have your paper strips. So this looks like these are smaller, like bigger versions of this metal die. So I guess this is what that is here. And then you have some other paper strips. And then of course you have your, you know what, y'all? I want to say that there's an instruction manual, but I guess the instruction manual is you have to go online. I guess that box just happened to have one in it. But yeah, I guess you have to go online for that one. Okay, y'all, we finally got a box that I'm keeping. Yay! I'm excited. So, very, very excited. So this one doesn't have to be all fancy-fied because I'm keeping that one. And this one I think I am too. I am very excited about this. This is the last box that I have. I hope that I got all the boxes that were there, because this would make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I got all the boxes, because let's see, I have, okay,